it's Jackie and welcome to another crafty video. Today our project is going to be a faux brick card. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pick out your colors. These are the 4 colors I chose for my card. I chose the linen cardstock, and if you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know that linen is my go-to off-white. It is a gray toned off-white and just gives a really soft and subtle addition to your card. The next color I picked was heather, and that's what I'm going to be making my bricks out of. The third color I picked was espresso, and that's just going to be a matte for my bricks, and also the color I use to distress the bricks. And then my fourth color is yellow. And I've chosen yellow just for a pop of color. My card base will be made out of it, and you'll see my flower used in the card will be also this tone. I'm also going to need the espresso re-inker just to distress my bricks. And I'm going to use the espresso ink to stamp my sentiment. As for stamp sets, my sentiment will be from this stamp set, which is the stamp set You Are My Sunshine. And you can find this stamp set in the new idea book on the very back page. This stamp set is the Operation Smile stamp set for this book, which means every time you buy this stamp set, $7 goes towards Operation Smile, which is the Close to My Heart chosen charity. And then the other stamp set we're using is going to be Ribbon Warrior. And this is a retired stamp set, but I just love this flower, this little lily or whatever it is. And also it's a stamp set and thin cuts duo, so that means I don't have to cut that out, which for me is always a bonus. So the first thing you're going to want to do is cut out your bricks using your heather cardstock. You're going to cut out about 40, and you're going to distress every single one of them. The next thing you're going to want to do is cut out a piece of linen cardstock, and you're going to want to cut this 8 by 5. You'll trim some off later once all your bricks are on. And you're going to want to lay out your bricks, just the first couple rows, just to get an idea of where they lay so you can do your stamping of your sentiment. So the top, I'm just going to go to about here, and then we can get stamping. And I'm using the sentiment, Stay Strong. Once your sentiment is stamped on, you're going to attach the rest of your bricks and just trim off the edges and redistress as you go. You're also going to want to take a few of your bricks and put some 3D tape on the back and just 3D them. On my card, I'm going to, on the full card, 3D 8 or 9, just to give it some dimension. So the next thing you're going to want to do is to use your thin cuts to cut out your flower shape. And then you're going to stamp, and it's tricky because it's already cut out, so you can't just do anywhere. But I stamped on the linen cardstock like so. So that's going to be your flower that goes in front of your bricks. Now, for this flower, I'm going to use the shin hand markers. I'm using leaf green and golden yellow. So we'll just start coloring that. And once it's done, you have this cute little flower. We're going to put 3D tape on the back and attach that to the front of our card once it's done. So we'll just put that aside for now. So this is our card base using the yellow cardstock. We're going to cut it 8 1/4 by 11. And then we're going to score it at 5 1/2. And this will make our card base. We're then going to put a piece of espresso cardstock on the front, and that's going to measure 8 1/4 by 5 1/4. And then we'll put our linen cardstock on that has our bricks on it. And this is our finished card. We've, like I said, stuck the flower on with 3D tape and done some 3D bricks, and it's ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this technique, and I hope you like your card. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And if you'd like to join me for more workshop videos like this one, full of different tips and techniques, hit that subscribe button. If you'd like more information on any of the products used in this video, I'll put the website down below in the comments, or you can email me at creativecookie@gmail.com. That's CREATIVECOOKIE@gmail.com. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below or email me. Thanks, and see you next time.